Hey guys, it's Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today I want to talk about trimming the inside of your fender wells on your Ford Transit. If you're going to do any of the lift kits from WeldTec Designs and you have a passenger van, usually those are going to have an inner fender well. You're going to have to trim those because when you go to a larger tire like this 245/75/16, it needs just a little bit more love in order to totally clear that. If you have a cargo van, typically those don't have this fender well. I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to go ahead and mark this all out, what I'm going to trim, so make sure you guys watch this whole video. So typically what you're going to want to look for is you have this little extension of this plastic piece. That's where the tire is going to want to rub on the back part of your wheel well, as well as this little corner right here. And it may seem like it's totally clear at normal ride height, but when this compresses and then starts to turn, that's where you start running into issues. And it's going to be the same thing up on the front end. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to jack this van up a little bit more. I'm going to turn the wheels so we can see inside that wheel well. So what I've done, I take a floor jack and I put it underneath the subframe of the vehicle and jack the vehicle up to give me a little bit more room in the wheel well. I went and started the vehicle and turned the tires all the way to the left as well to give me more room to be able to get in here and trim this fender well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to follow the factory lines of the inner fender well and then blend my cut lines into those. So what I'm going to use is a combination of tools. I'm going to use a 4.5-inch angle grinder. And some of these tight spots, I do have a little air file as well. But most of the time I'll just use a cutoff wheel to cut it, and then I'm going to use a sanding disc to get it cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and cut my line. Now I'm going to use that little mat knife. I can go in there so I can just kind of trim this fender. You could cut this whole thing with a knife. If it's nice and sharp, you don't necessarily need to use a grinder, except maybe when you get into this bottom area. Now you can see we started getting sparks. That is the bottom part of the pinch weld. I want to make sure I get rid of that. That's going to be a nice sharp edge. I don't want my tire catching on that and tearing up my tire, so I'm going to cut that off. Now that I've got my cut, I'm going to take my sanding disc and I'm going to start cleaning up that cut. All right, so now that that backside's done, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wheels the other way so I can start doing the front. Then I will go ahead, let the jack down and check both sides to make sure that I'm good. So I want more room when I go to get in there with that grinder. That thing's large, so I'm gonna turn the tires the other way. Now you can see where I've drawn this line. I'm going even with the frame and I'm gonna taper it all the way down into this corner. And if you look in here really carefully, this is going to be where the tire has rubbed. So I wanna make sure I get rid of that part. All right, so again, once I get my initial cut going, I'm gonna come in and clean it up with the sanding disc. So we have both of our initial cuts done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the jack down now. We're going to have a second person turn the steering wheel both ways so I can actually see in here and make visuals sure that everything is going to clear on both sides. All right, back to the left. All right, back right. Hold it. So there it is, guys. That is how to trim your inner fender well. So whether you have a two-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive and you have that inner liner, that is going to give you an idea of what you're going to need to trim to clear those 245/75/16 tires with a 2-inch kit. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video.